Hello, welcome to WayKen Rapid Manufacturing. My name is Rebecca. It's so nice having you today. We're going to introduce to you our factory and the services we provide. So please come with me. WayKen is a custom manufacturer based in ShenZhen, China. We specialize in rapid prototyping and low-volume manufacturing for plastic and metal parts. With over 10 years experience in the industry, we offer exceptional global services to over 800 clients in more than 30 countries, covering from independent design engineers to industrial, commercial, medical, automotive, and even aerospace companies. With advanced machining technology and highly skilled employees, we consistently maintain a competitive edge. We are committed to provide our customers with prototypes during design phase and low-volume manufacturing for the transition to production stage. We offer you a variety of services including CNC machining, rapid tooling, vacuum casting, and 3D printing. With no minimum order quantity, we offer faster and more flexible order processing. The quantity of custom parts can range from one piece to tens of thousands to meet your specific product manufacturing needs. With one-on-one project management support and rapid DFM feedback from a dedicated team to avoid potential design issues, we help you solve your manufacturing problems and minimize production costs. Once the order is confirmed, we'll strictly follow production management process and confirm all aspects of production in advance through proactive order reviews to ensure the shortest delivery time and highest quality. At WayKen, CNC machining is commonly applied for rapid prototyping and short-run production of metal and plastic parts. We are good at making non-standard, relatively precise, and complex components. We have a 3,000 square meter CNC machine shop, allowing us to run 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. From simple milling or turning to complex and precise 5-axis CNC machining. From prototyping to serious production, we focus on continuous optimization of CNC programming and machining processes. We are capable of handling a wide range of parts requiring high tolerances, complex profiles, and special materials. For machining accuracy, we can normally control tolerances in the range of ±0.1 mm to ±0.05 mm and follow the international common standard ISO 2768. More precise machining accuracy can be achieved to ±0.01 mm to ±0.005 mm. Minimum machining radius is 0.1 mm and surface roughness of 0.2 micrometer is achievable. Our project managers will work with you to confirm the accuracy we can achieve for each item before quotation. Best efforts are made to provide higher machining accuracy than expected. Precision, quality, and affordability at any volume. Our CNC team responds quickly to accommodate your needs. WayKen supports one-stop post-finishing services to satisfy your diverse needs. Our experienced hand craftsmen focus on every engineering detail and specification, and are fully capable of meeting visual and functionality requirements of your parts. All finishing work is done in-house, including deburring, gluing, metal inserts, pre-fitting, sanding, and even optical-grade mirror polishing. We also provide other surface treatments by integrating external supplier resources. These treatments include painting, powder coating, anodizing, metal plating, vacuum metallizing, chromate, passivation, and more. In short, our solutions will exceed your expectations in order to truly achieve the ultimate surface quality required by your product, whether it is the color, texture, gloss, or surface functionality of the part. We strictly follow the ISO 9001 certified quality management system with a series of standardized production procedures and work instructions, and use advanced testing equipment to measure and inspect each production step to ensure high quality. Constant quality control from part to project. We pay attention to details, problem solving, researching new materials and processes, and investing in new technology, which reflects our commitment to continuously improving quality and customer satisfaction. We complete over 300 projects and produce more than 20,000 parts every month. These parts are shipped worldwide within a few days, using various shipping methods such as DHL, UPS, FedEx, and more. We have optimized our production processes and supply chain to ensure faster turnaround times, helping our customers accelerate the time to market for new products. As always, we provide dedicated engineering support to help development process before, during, and after production. We aspire to become your best partner, so when you want to turn your ideas into reality, WayKen is always here to support. Seize the opportunity now and start uploading your CAD models at waykenrm.com. High quality parts will be delivered to you within a few days. Thank you!